If you're a digital agency managing multiple clients across different industries like hotels, real estate, healthcare, finance, here's the problem. Every client needs sales automation, but building custom AI solution from scratch for each one, that's expensive, time-consuming, and hard to scale. What if I told you there's a platform that gives you 20 pre-built AI sales agent templates optimized for different industries, plus the ability to create and save your own custom templates that you can deploy across unlimited clients? That's exactly what MagicBlocks offer, and today I'm going to show you how to build a complete AI sales agent for a luxury resort in Indonesia called Kuno Villas in under 10 minutes using templates. Then I'll show you how to save that as your own reusable template for every hospitality client you onboard. Let's dive in. So this is Kuno Villas website. It's a boutique resort in Gili Trawangan, Indonesia. It's sustainably focused, intimate luxury. It has a very unique woodcraft in their villas. But their challenge is that most inquiries comes after hours and on weekends when no one is available to respond. By the time the stuff falls up, the lead has already booked somewhere else. So let's go ahead and help them create an AI sales agent. We can copy the URL. We can go to magicblocks.ai and then drop the URL in here and then click create my AI agent free. Or if you already have a MagicBlocks account, you can go to your platform and click on the top left here. You can add a new workspace if this is a new client. And then you can go to agent, click agent, and you click create new, and then select quick agent setup. In here, you can drop the website URL. MagicBlock has 20 different templates based on the industry like automotive, fertility, financial, gym, healthcare, hotel, insurance, mortgage, real estate, SaaS, solar, travel agent, venue booking, right? So for this case, we're gonna select hotel booking. Okay, now all good. You can click create your AI agent. So traditional chatbot platforms make you start from zero every single time. You need to write prompts, building workflows, testing, and doing all over again for the next client. But MagicBlocks actually gives you 20 very specific templates that already come pre-built with HAPPA sales framework. That's hook, align, personalized, pitch, action. That's a proven 5-stage sales methodology that has driven over $200 million in leads. And we also include optimized persona for the right tone and voice for each industry. And it has predefined key facts, the data that commonly collected for the leads qualification. It's, of course, building the knowledge base as well based on the website that you submitted. All right, so this is the new AI sales agent from Kuno Villas. As you can see on the right, we can already interacting with the agent. We can basically test the agent and basically ask any question that your typical potential clients or potential customers will ask. So for example, I can ask, yes, I want to stay there for my honeymoon in December. Okay, so it asks me to kind of describe more what I want to experience. So I want a peaceful time, for example. So it's just asking me several different specific that I want to have in my stay. It's all good. You can continue testing the agent here. So this is the overall structure of your agent. If you see on the left, there's a general settings. You can change the persona, you can change the name here, or you can click edit right here to kind of change the persona prompt, how the persona is showing up in your AI. This is all generated automatically, right, by our quick agent setup. This is all the key facts that we want to collect from leads. For example, like date of stay. If you are not necessarily needing one of any of these, you can delete. So for example, you can remove this part. And there's an action here if the potential customers want to talk to human. This is where you set it. There's a guardrails set up here, so you can make sure that the AI doesn't accept any information that they don't need. For example, like bank account number or similar to that. And yeah, this is the brain of your agent. This is auto-generated as well, which I will show you a bit later. And on the left is the heart of the agent. This is where the sales journey going. We are using HAPPA framework, so hook, align, personalized, pitch, and action right here. And if we click one of the blocks, in hook, there's the agent's job is specifically for basically hooking the customer to speak more, and aligning is just basically understanding what they're looking for, and personalize is where the agent is giving a personalized pitch later, right, based on what the customers need. Action is the driver basically. So for example, if the condition match, if the information known, for example, the action would be pitch and action, pitching the actual product, right? And after all this done, you can basically send the leads through email, HighLevel, HubSpot, on any other CRM. I'll show you a little bit about the knowledge we can save here. And then if we go to the knowledge, you can see as well the type of knowledge that is generated automatically from the template. Click Kunofilas, and we see here there are 58 knowledge already in the Kunofilas AI agent. And if you click them, this is all information found in the website. So it's very fast, very easy. It's automatic for you. Our platform actually gather all this information and turn it automatically into Q&A, which is one of the most efficient way to showcase knowledge for AI agent. If we are all happy with the agent, we can come back to the agent page and we can click go live. And it's just as simple as selecting the code. You can also edit the appearance if you want. You can click the appearance right here. And as you can see, the color is blue. If you want to change it, you can right here. Or you can customize it even more. You can change the logo. You can click here and black. Yeah, so this is just how you play around with the color. If you like it, you can click save. And you can go back to the agent. Click go live. You can choose the style, standard or sidebar. If it's standard, and then you can click copy here, and then you can insert basically the script before in the header of your HTML file. That's it. One more thing that I want to show you. So if you are done, you can click here on the view detail, and then you can save this as a template, and you can use this again for your next client. So hotel AI sales agent, for example, and then click create template right here. So that's it. If you're an agency managing multiple clients, this is how you can add a high margin AI sales service to your offering without building the infrastructure from scratch. Start building for free at magicblocks.ai.